everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 2-star hotel. This video will provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this property, like amenities, room category, location, landmark facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location, nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. See more than 100 of reviews of this hotel. You can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 7.8. It's the very good. Category 1. You can see on the screen room rates like room size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the hotel is excellent and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this hotel is 4 p.m. Check-out time of this resort is 10 a.m. Amenities and offers available online for this hotel along with different pay plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. To get more details about this property, please follow the description link. If you want to enjoy from this hotel, you can send your experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire